I used to be an outlaw out on the open range, on my horse with hunger pangs, free in the wind and the rain. Burnt dust on the prairie, dark clouds on the plain, most alive, freezing in pain, crossing the mountains in cold wind and rain. And you keep your bright old sunshine, and I'll give you the clear blue stars, and you can have all the banks and those gas guzzling cars. What I miss most, and it ain't insane, is just to being an outlaw in the cold wind and rain. I was on the mayor's horse with the governor's daughter when I got caught robbing Fort Knox. Now I'm drinking the jailhouse water. Oh, to be an outlaw again, riding hard on the rain, freezing my ass off and starving to death far away in the cold wind and rain. And you keep your bright old sunshine, and I'll give you the clear blue stars, and you can have all the banks and those gas guzzling cars. What I miss most, and it ain't insane, is just to being an outlaw in the cold wind and rain. Well, I could have just shot that sheriff, my sentence it could have been for to hang, and I could have died up on those gallows, swinging free in the cold wind and rain. And I've scratched my name in the concrete, and I've counted all of these bars. You can have all the banks, you can keep all the change. Give me my horse in the cold wind and rain, and you keep your bright old sunshine, and I'll give you the clear blue star. And you can have all the banks and those gas guzzling cars. But what I miss most, and it ain't insane, is just to being an outlaw in the cold wind and rain. Cold